I'm going to show you my garage and backyard. So without any delay, let's move in.
Garage door.
So this is the system we have every time we open front door, back door. Back door is for backyard and this is garage door. So it says back door, front door and garage door. So this is our 2-car parking garage. Right now it is in pretty good condition, and over the time we are planning to make it better, change some color. Probably we will remake the floor as well. This is the backyard, and here this is the sensor one we bought from Walmart.
For the sake of privacy.
Have some bamboos. I think in summer I am planning to make something. So here we are gonna put some patio furniture here, and as you can see we have got our backyard clean. We're gonna work on reseeding and regrafting. So there we have flower beds or vegetable bed